Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Borgi, it seemed that you had some success earlier defending Blackwater's transition offense, which gave you a lot of trouble throughout the game. What changed in terms of the way you were approaching that, especially during the fourth quarter?
Actually, that small ball has done wonders for us. If you notice, Tony Semerad playing the center spot, and Fajardo, a 6'1 guy, 6'2 guy, playing the 4. So kind of small for us, but as I said, it has done wonders for us. In our previous game, yun din yung lineup namin eh. So, aside from that, syempre, sabi nga ni Coach Frankie, buti na lang may bolik kami.
Yeah, speaking of bolik, Coach, hindi, this is a team effort, this win. What's it like, Coach, when you have a guy like Robert, also Dominic Fajardo, and the other guys, making life easier because you don't necessarily have to manufacture offense, maybe in the typical ways that you would?
You know what's good about Robert? Hindi dahil nandito si Robert, he produces a lot of scores. Kung makikita nyo, 30 to 40 last game, career high nga. But if you will take a look at the assist department, magaling din pumasa si Bolik eh. So every time, 90% of the time, yung bola namin kasi na kay Berto. And 90% of the time, good decisions ang ginagawa ni Berto.
Again, Robert, congratulations ulit.
Thank you.
Sunod-sunod yung explosive performance mo tonight, almost a triple-double. Nag-contribute ka din ng 2 dagger threes. Robert, saan ang gagaling lahat to?
Una, gusto ko mag-sorry kay Coach Jong. Dalawang defensive lapses dun sa dulo. And buti na lang nabawi ko sa 3 points. Kung hindi, patay ako. So, tingin mo sa akin, pero talaga yung nagpanalo sa amin si Dominic eh. Ganda laramin ni Dom. Sabi, 14 points. 14 points. Ang ganda ng ginagawa niya sa amin, grabe. So, siya yung nagpapanalo talaga itong laro na to eh, yung contribution niya. Richie din, ang ganda ng laro. Talagang total team effort eh, John. So, masarap sa feeling na lahat kami nag-contribute para manalo. So,
Robert, you had impressive games ang sunod-sunod this conference. Pero sa ngayong gabi, ano sa tingin mo yung mas magandang ginawa nyo kumpara ng mga nakaraan?
Wala, nagtulungan lang talaga kami. Sabi kasi ni Coach Frankie tsaka ng mga coaches na pag nanalo kami ngayon, 4 days off siguro, yun yung gusto na magpahinga namin kasi ang dami naming laro, 5 days, 12 days. So gusto namin 5-0 sana, pero nag 4-1, so good na. Pero yun nga, pag itong break na to na mahaba, kailangan mag-prepare din kami kasi kalaban namin yung mga semis na eh, yung mga pumasok na ng semis, lahat ng kalaban namin. So wala nang madaling, kumbaga wala nang madaling laro. Pabigat na ng pabigat. So, ang layo pa. So, masaya talaga ako sa teammates ko. Grabe yung contribution nila. And thank you sa lahat na nag-step up sa team namin. So, team effort talaga.